Hello, we're going to do a little walk around video on this 2019 Toyota Sienna, the VMI conversion. I'll point out any items I see as we go around. There's a little scratch there. Overall, the vehicle's in good shape. It's a low mile, newer vehicle. There's a little scrape there. It's got good rubber on it all the way around. A little scratch there and there. This is the VMI NorthStar conversion. Got a little ding there. So it gives you that tall 14.9-inch drop. Lots and lots of interior room. This is actually the most spacious wheelchair accessible minivan on the market. Okay, so the way that this works is we're going to unlock the car, and then we're going to press and hold on this side door button here. That's going to activate the ramp sequence. And the door will open first, and then the ramp will come out. The vehicle is actually kneeling down as well. That reduces your ramp angle to be only about 9 degrees. And then we've got this nice gray rubberized flooring here. You've got a step that pops down. And then this is the new dash system that Toyota has. So you've got your AC controls, touchscreen, and then this has a Q lock already installed in the front passenger seat. So you can have a bracket installed on your wheelchair, and then that will allow you to lock down instead of using the straps, which this comes with a set of 4 straps. I'll show you that there. And then to close it, you can either hit the button here on the door, or you can hit the button here. Or the one that I like to push here is the VMI button right on the front. And that's flashing green whenever the vehicle is opening or closing, and it'll stop flashing as soon as the system is fully closed. That way you know when the car is open and when it's ready to go. And we have a power tailgate here. So press and hold that power liftgate button, because this is the XLE package, so you've got quite a few options there. Your set of straps are in here, and then we do have a spare tire that's down there. So very well integrated system. Let us know if this will work for you. Thank you.